Hello, dear Aries, Sun, Moon, and Rising, and welcome to your first half of June readings with me. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. Let's get started, my dear Aries. For you, for the first week, lot of movement, lot of traveling. It's all related to your professional activities, is what I see. You are just traveling for work, seminars, meetings, deals, agreements of some sorts are happening for some of the Aries, is what I see. But whatever it is, I see that it can evolve professionally towards more positive things also, is what I'm seeing, my dear Aries. For you in the first week, there is a lot of work for you in the first week of June, my dear Aries. So make sure you get enough sleep because you have a lot to accomplish, is what I see. Okay, I also see, my dear Aries, is that things will move smoother for you thanks to your communication skills. Use them well. You have that intuition also, that many a times I feel Aries don't use their intuition. They really have that intuition, I have friends who are Aries, and they really somewhere I feel they have something deeper in them that they just hide it behind their childlike nature. So use that deeper intuition. It will help you, my dear Aries, okay, in the first week of June. For my Aries students also, lots of things you can accomplish. There is a very good communication skills that you've been gifted with at this point of time. You have to use them and you have to get lots done to, my dear Aries students, okay. I also see that if you had any kind of challenges or rather misunderstandings with someone, you can really even them out thanks to your communication skills. It can pay you off well when it comes to your professional field, especially, is what I see, my dear Aries, for you. If you're interested in tarot oracles and if you're wondering how to find your first deck, then I have made a wonderful write-up of that you will find in the description box below. It is free for you, okay, like how to find your first deck. And there I also explain the difference between tarot and oracles also. So if you're interested in knowing in detail like what should be to find your first deck, it's all very nicely, it has been explained. So I would invite a few moments from you to go to the description box below and download it for free. Then we go to the second week. Wow, for the second week, I do see that you are traveling to a foreign land. You're going to another country. For some of you, you are getting visits from somebody from another country. For some of you, you're planning your next travel abroad at this point of time, is what I see. For some of the Aries, when it comes to sentimental life, you might find someone while traveling or when you're in another country who are looking for someone, that is. And for some of you, while traveling, you can meet some people who really change your perspective on certain things. That's like a fresh air, into your brain space that clears up some clutters, and then you see things more clearly at this point of time. How should I do? What should I do? For some of the Aries, you might even start some kind of business when it comes to the sea, when it comes to the ship, boats or something like that. Some kind of things are seen, my dear Aries, for you in the second week of June. I also see for my dear Aries that you can hope to collaborate now. If you're looking for some business partners from another country, then the collaboration can happen easily at this point of time. So you might be speaking to people to see what can be done, how to team up, how to partner up. For that is what I'm seeing. For some of the Aries, it can also be having a girlfriend or a boyfriend from another country, or somebody who is settled in another country also, is what I see, my dear Aries, for you. Money-wise, you want to have more ways of earning money. Now you are going to be looking for options like, what are the ways where I can make more money, not just with my existing thing, but otherwise also. So you're trying to see where to put your fruits or eggs according to your wishes. You can put them in different bags or in one bag, is what is seen, my dear Aries, for you. And all in all, and some of you will go close to a water body also for a holiday in the second week. I would like to tell you is that please be careful around water. Either there is water scarcity in your place, it can happen, or there can be a lot of floods also, like two extremes can happen wherever you are. And make sure, for some of the Aries, make sure that you drink purified water only, because I am seeing something coming with water. Last time I had said to you regarding the soil and things like that, and you see that hantavirus, how it was, from the soil it spreads. So my prediction has come true over there. I really don't like to brag about it. It's something that really, it's not my nature, but here I wish to revisit that in this video, because as we are speaking about it, now I see something with water that can come in, something in our bodies that can happen regarding water things. So please boil, filter water, and have your own water bottle wherever you go. It's better, okay, on short distance travels and all. Carry your own water, okay, but make sure that it is boiled and it is 100 degrees boiled and cooled down, and then you are using it, okay, because you need to protect yourself. So thank you, my dear Aries, for listening, and please do like, share and comment, and I shall see you in the second half of June. Until then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye. God bless. Bye.